Hello, so we're almost there. We've kind of interpreted this question. We pretty much understand what it means. We found this differential equation. In the last video, we found the solution to that differential equation was that. Now we're asked to find the time it takes to empty the container, giving your answer to the nearest minute. Okay, so basically what we need to do there is we've got this container going on, okay, and it's filled with liquid fertilizer. Okay, so it's filled with liquid fertilizer. We know that this gives the height of the amount of fertilizer left in the container. So the height of the amount of fertilizer left in the container, okay, at some time. So basically, if you want to find the height of the fertilizer left at, say, like 5 minutes, you stick T equals in there, and it will tell you, this equation here will tell you how much fertilizer you've got left, okay? So it says how much time it takes to empty the container. Well, if the container's empty, then what's the height? The height is just going to be 0, okay? There's going to be nothing left. So basically, the height is just going to be 0. There's literally going to be nothing left. So what we just need to do there is just set h equals 0 into this equation. So we've got 0 equals the cubed root of negative 27 over 400 pi times t. Okay, that's what we want to find, t plus 729 over 8, cubed root, all of that, okay? Well, okay, we just basically rearrange that to find out what t is equal to. So, okay, we've got 0 is equal to the cubed root of all of that, so I guess the natural thing to do would just be cubed root both sides. Cube both sides. To get rid of that cubed root, well, cubed root of 0 is just 0, so we just got 0 is equal to negative 27 over 400 pi times t plus 729 over 8, okay, then we just want t on its own, so we need to kind of try and move everything away from t, so let's move this over the other side, so we take away 729 over 8, that's equal to negative 27 over 400 pi times t. Okay, I guess there's a negative there and a negative there, so we can just multiply through by negative 1 to get rid of those. Okay, and then basically we just need to, so at the moment we've got a number times t, so we just need to divide by that number there. So whatever that is, we just need to divide by that number there. So we've got 729 over 8 divided by 27 over 400 pi. That's equal to t. Stick all that in your calculator, stick all that into your calculator, and it comes out as, and we get t equals 4,241.2, but remember that's in seconds. Remember, that's in seconds. Now, to be honest with you, they haven't told us... Oh, no, they have. They've told us to give it to the nearest minute. So basically, now we need to do is take all of that and convert it back into minutes. So, okay, how are we going to convert that into minutes? So 4,241.2. How are we going to convert that into minutes? Well, in a minute, there are... How many seconds? Well, there are 60 seconds. So if we divide through by 60... that comes out as 70. So we divide through by 60 to find the number of minutes, okay? So we make it 60 times smaller, because for every 60 one of those, there are a minute. So how many minutes are there? It comes out as 70.7, effectively. To the nearest minute, that's just 71 minutes, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. The amount of time it takes to empty the container completely to the nearest minute is 71 minutes. That's not too bad.